Vinyl Windows Warren, Michigan is one of the most effective home improvement Windows Warren, Michigan projects for homeowners looking to lower drafts and improve appearance. Warren, Michigan replacement windows and replacement vinyl windows near Warren, Michigan can refresh older properties with insulated vinyl windows, energy-efficient vinyl windows, and affordable window replacement options that fit a range of budgets. Whether you need a full window frame replacement or targeted vinyl window repair, Warren, Michigan, the right local vinyl window company Warren can help improve comfort fast. Vinyl window installation Warren, Michigan should be tailored to the style of the property, the size of the opening, and the performance goals of the homeowner. Local window installers and licensed window installers Warren, Michigan can provide vinyl windows in Warren, Michigan with precise fit and clean finishing, making home window improvements look seamless. For properties in Warren, Michigan, vinyl window installation, window sealing services, and custom vinyl windows can help reduce air leaks and support long-lasting weatherproof vinyl windows Warren homeowners want. Double-hung vinyl windows. Warren, casement vinyl windows, sliding vinyl windows, picture vinyl windows, and bay and bow vinyl windows all offer different advantages for Warren, Michigan energy-efficient windows projects. Double-hung vinyl windows Warren are a popular choice for easy operation, while casement vinyl windows can improve ventilation and ceiling performance. Sliding vinyl windows are practical for wider openings, and picture vinyl windows or bay and bow vinyl windows can create brighter modern window designs and stronger curb appeal for residential vinyl windows Warren. Homeowners searching for vinyl replacement windows near Warren, Michigan often want durable, low-maintenance windows that look great and perform well year after year. Insulated vinyl windows and double-pane vinyl windows Warren can help support better indoor temperatures through Michigan winters and hot summers. With custom vinyl windows Warren, Michigan, affordable vinyl windows Warren, Michigan, and weather-resistant windows built for the region, replacement windows can be a smart upgrade for homes across Warren and Macomb County. Residential vinyl windows. Warren, Michigan should cover more than just installation, because window frame replacement Warren, Michigan, vinyl window upgrades, and window retrofit services can all play a role in improving a property. Residential vinyl windows Warren can be matched to existing architecture while still delivering the benefits of energy-efficient vinyl windows and insulated vinyl windows in Warren, Michigan. From a single room to a whole house project, a Warren, Michigan home window upgrades plan can create lasting value. Choosing a replacement window contractor in Warren, Michigan means working with a team that understands local conditions, building styles, and customer expectations. A Warren, Michigan window contractor can recommend the best vinyl windows in Warren, Michigan for your needs, whether that means vinyl window replacement, vinyl window installation, or vinyl window repair. Local expertise matters when selecting a custom fit for replacement vinyl windows near Warren, especially when the project includes window sealing services and energy savings goals. Custom vinyl windows and PVC window solutions are ideal for homeowners who want a better fit, better look, and better performance from their investment. Custom vinyl windows Warren, Michigan can be designed for unique openings, while modern window designs can update older homes without sacrificing durability. For homeowners comparing options, Vinyl Window Specialists Macomb County MI can explain the benefits of affordable vinyl windows Warren, Michigan, insulated vinyl windows in Warren, Michigan, and weatherproof vinyl windows Warren that hold up in changing Midwest conditions. Affordable window replacement in Warren, Michigan doesn't have to mean sacrificing quality or style. With residential window services, commercial window installation, and window installation services in Warren, Michigan, property owners can improve efficiency and appearance with durable vinyl windows Macomb County residents trust. From vinyl windows in Warren, Michigan to the best vinyl windows in Warren, Michigan, the right solution can bring together functionality, value, and curb appeal for homes and businesses throughout Warren, Michigan and surrounding neighborhoods.